J brothers. We have Mrityunjay and Vishwajay, and yeah, you know them very well. Like they are blessed children of Mr. Guha Prasad, the music director, whom we got inspired during the last month event, and Mrs. Nandini, who is a principal in one of the DAV schools in Chennai. And we have Mrityunjay, who is a graduate from Vivekananda College and is pursuing his post-graduation at University of Madras. He is a co-founder of the drama troupe Viveka Patravarga. I don't know whether I spelled it right or not. He is an aspiring director, visual editor, and a designer, and a technology expert. And his brother Vishwajay, and he is wonderful. Both are wonderful, of course. And he is pursuing his graduation in electronics media at Chennai. He is an independent music composer with multiple compositions in several Web2 platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, etc. He did music directions for multiple stage plays and short films. And currently, he is working towards becoming the music composer for film industry. And let us all wish him all the best in his future endeavors for both the J brothers. And over to you, Vishwajay and Mrityunjay, to take up the session for 10 minutes. It's up to you. And needless to say, both are alumni of DAV and they have done wonderfully, exceptionally well in their academics too. All right? Okay, let us see them. Over to you.
Namaste and a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First off, I would like to start by thanking Raghuram sir for inviting these two youngsters to this wonderful place. You have so much more collective experience than us, but you're calling us to speak to you. It's truly a humbling experience. So like sir said, I'm Mrityunjay and this here is my brother Vishwajay. What we're here to talk about is connecting these two ideas, musical thinking and logical thinking. Sir explained what these two patterns are. We thought we could connect these two and see what we can learn from that. Instead of just playing a song, I think it will be better if we show you a visual example and then expand on it. Last year, my team and I, Viveka Patravarga, we made a short film titled Devadas. It's about a young man who is waiting for something to happen. Unfortunately, just like everybody else, he's stuck in quarantine. So it's a loop where he's waiting, not knowing what to do, and he's just stuck there. When it came to making music for a 1-minute trailer, we had to really think about it, and I gave the job to my brother. I just gave him 2 words to work on: melancholy and stagnation. These are the 2 words I gave him. Keep these 2 words in mind. Let us take a look and a close listen to the trailer.
Good evening, everyone. When my brother and his team came up with the script, they showed it to me and gave me the exact 2 words, melancholy and stagnation, to develop the entire score on. What a trailer basically does is it informs the audience the tone of the film. Now, this is how I started building this piece of music. The first thing that came to my mind was the idea of waiting. When you're waiting for something to happen, or when you're bored, the passage of time seems to slow down and you notice every moment passing. That is where the ticking clock came from. Of course, I could not just give him the ticking clock and call it a day. I had to build on it, otherwise, my talent as a music producer will be in question. So then I started building on it. First, I added a piano like instrument which plays these three notes. These three notes are the driving force of the piece. This added a feeling of sadness to the track. I added a bit more layers to it and showed it to my brother. What we had now was a sad track. What we needed was melancholy. What we needed was melancholy. That is where the harp and the cello came in. String instruments generally have a feeling of lightness. Even in the most emotional moments, they glide through. This was added to give a sense of hope. So, in the cello, we ended up with this sequence. And then in the harp plays a pattern which rises and comes back to the same note.
Wonderful.
This repeating pattern creates the feeling of being stuck in a loop, thus, stagnation. Finally, you will realize that the piece ends on a single note which sustains and then fades to silence without any grandeur. Combining these core elements with a bit of orchestration, I gave the track to my brother.
Of course, when he gave the track to me, I said, "Oh my God, this is such a beautiful piece of music. Thank you so much. It fits exactly what I need," and I was very happy about it. And then I started editing the trailer to the music. But now we come to the question: why are we talking about this single piece of music, and what does it have to do with logical intelligence, logical thinking, musical thinking? It's very simple. Just like finding any logical solution, music is also a step-by-step process. My brother started off with a clock, added a piano, added violin, and added the harp, and then finally he put a bit of touch-ups on the piece to give it a sense of orchestration. Just like that, any logical solution is not arrived at in one whole piece. Music does not just fall into his head completed. It is a step-by-step process. Just like that, logic is also a step-by-step process. You start with the base, you build on it, step 2, build on it, step 3, build on it, until you get the solution that you need. Second, the music was the main focus in the trailer.
Yeah.
And what I did was I added images from my short film, images of still life, to enhance the feeling. So we had melancholy and stagnation. So we put images of still life, the very dusty telephone, this one guy who is very anxious and walking around to add to that feeling of being stuck in one place. And this writer saying, which hints at the story of the short film. What we can learn from this is to enhance your solutions, to enhance your way of thinking, you can add images, you can add contrast and juxtapose images to enhance what you arrive at. It will make your solutions, it will make your way of thinking stand out. Finally, the third most important thing, at least in my mind, is silence. Music without silence is noise. Sir said it. If there is no silence, the music piece will not stand. And sometimes the most logical thing to do in a situation is to remain silent.
Yeah.
Sir said music is about feeling. You can feel when a track is good. You can feel when it wants to make you sing. You can feel when it wants to make you just jump up and dance. Music is all about creating feelings, but it is not something that just comes just like that. It is a very logical, step-by-step process in its own way. Now, before we conclude, I just want to give this over to my brother so that he can explain how it goes about preparing a track, just in general terms, without going into technicalities.
Yeah.
Like we have been saying throughout, music is all about evoking feelings. I try to convey stories through my music. And what is a story without a beginning, a middle, and an end? Instead of characters, I just focus on the feelings at these 3 points. I try to convey the desired feeling to the listener by figuring out what scales and notes to use. And then it is just a matter of creating a base, building on it, and polishing, and polishing, and polishing until I am satisfied with it. And that is the thought process whenever I sit to create a piece of music.
So there you have it, the connection between musical thinking and logical thinking. Three things. It is an iterative process. It is step by step. You build on it. You can use images, examples, and other things to substantiate your way of thinking, to add validation to it. And finally, just sometimes silence is tantamount to the best proof. I hope we did justice to the time and the expectations that were placed on us. Thank you so much, sir, Raghuram, sir, and everybody here. Thank you so much for this wonderful experience. I hope you have a very good day. And that is our time. Thank you.
It was just mind-blowing, Mrityunjay. No, I know that, that the very reason why I have you there is I cannot talk like you. You are a practical personality there, and that definitely helped our people to think and our parents to think. Our, the people who are the school owners. We have a wonderful, set of people, and they will start thinking about how important music is for everybody, for the logical thinking. Thank you. I just wanted to personify, and you are exactly the personification. You both are the personification of both the intelligences, and thank you so much for your time. And needless to say, I have a surprise for you also, and it's not just these people coming up, and I have something very important here, which Guha Prasad has shared for all the Utsahins, and I hope it's visible. It's visible. Ram Reddy, is it visible? No?
Now it's visible. Now it's visible.
Okay. And this is the family, right? We have Guha Prasad, known personality, and she is Nandini, and both the Jay brothers there. And what a wonderful wishes for everybody. Prayers and wishes for a safe, healthy, and happy New Year to all the Utsahins. And this is a personal greeting for everybody from Jay. All right. Thank you so much, Jay. You have made our day. You have made, and all the very best. See how much thinking goes into a piece of just a piece of 30 even advertisements. How much thinking goes into that. We just look at the advertisement. Oh, it's just nothing. No, even a worst film has a wonderful movie, wonderful music. Worst film has a wonderful music. There are many movies which has gone, and this is my experience, and my I have been to a lot of recordings and all. I know how much pain it has for having a feeling into the music of that, and that's just because of the dominant logical intelligence. All right, and thank you so much, Mrityunjay and Vishwajay. Thank you.